Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. I'm going to be with Connor playing the Kodo game. He just ran away. I don't know where he went, but I have 4 Kodos that he has to find. 4 Kodos, 4 Kodos. See, look, 4 Kodos. Got these. Connor! I dropped the Kodo. Connor? Connor? Okay, choose one room where you want to. You want me to hide the Kodos you find, or do you want you to hide the Kodos that I find? Yeah. Okay, so what room? That room. Okay, now go hide these Kodos. Hide these Kodos. I'm gonna go in here. Okay, guys, I don't know he's gonna hide the Kodos at all. So. You done? Yeah? You done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. This basket.
It's so warm. It's so warm. I'm not going to watch.
Maybe.
No.
1. Ready? Hop. Is there any more? Oh, there was something. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna check over here. Maybe there's some under stuff. There's one under here. That's heavy. Kind of where are they? Where's the last one?
It's over there somewhere.
Over here? That's a hint. Where a mouse came through?
No, it's up. It's under up.
Okay, kind of go in the front living room. I'm gonna hide.
Mom, I need to eat my popcorn.
Okay, fine. You can eat your Pop-Tart and okay. Guys, I hit one. I hit one. Next one. Wait.
Ready.
No,
Ready.
I'm not ready. I still have all the Kodos. I still have all of them. I can't find. Okay. Okay. So, done. Ready. Go find. They're all over in this spot. I'll give you a hint. Mouse. That's your hint. Kind of. Downward. Do you remember when there was a mouse that came through that way and went over there? Whoa! Okay. You found it. You found one. Lego. You just see it. Okay. Fish tank. Oh, no. You have to put your hand inside and find them.
What do you think I'm honestly dumb?
Okay. Last one in this area. Over here.
No.
Dig. You found it. You found it. Okay, Connor, go hide. I'm gonna go run away. Yo, Connor, I have to put the camera over. He's gonna see you, and I'm gonna grab the camera when you're done. Say ready when you're done.
Ready.
Okay. Done. Okay, guys, let's go back. Go. Yeah. First place. Oh gosh. Oh, Kodos. Oh, Kodos. I'm not dumb.
Oh, under the sofa.
Because when I put the camera right there, I said you go. Okay, guys. Get in the back. Get the front living room now.
I wanna do this.
Living room. Go. Get your booty in the front living room. Get the front living room.
Jonathan,
Go.
that's what you said to me, Jonathan.
He's weird. Okay, so guys. No. No. Okay, guys. Next place. You. What are you doing? Okay, ready. Ready, boy. Come find. Keep finding now. Come finding. Get your head. Get your butt. I give you a hint. Here, look. I'll open it. Hint. Candle. Candle.
Under.
Hint. Lego box. Lego box. No. No. I'm talking about not purple Lego box. Buy DVDs. Fireplace. 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 On top. Fireplace. Yep, you got it. No. Okay. Wi-Fi. 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 That's it. Okay, I'm gonna go in the front living room.
Done. Honestly, like
No, Connor, you have to hide in the front living room, not in your short.
No.
Ready?
No.
Ready?
No.
Ready?
No.
Ready?
LeBron James.
You done?
Yep.
What's your hand? Let's find. Nope. Lego. Nope.
It's right next to him. No, not that one. Not that one. No. Behind you.
What?
A magical boat. We're in a box. That is
Oh, I found all of them. All of them, boys. All of them. Okay, Connor, go front living room now, boy. You can bring your pop top. Okay, guys. I'm gonna find one. I don't want to do it. Actually, no, because that's too dangerous. Okay. You are a scary spider. Ready? All 4 quarters over here. That's your hint. Under. 2 under, 1 top. 3 under, 1 top.
Here?
Not in there. 2's just so close to seeing it. Corner. That's your hint. Cornell fish tank. Connell, are you dumb? Look. And 3 under Lego. Big Lego. Not small Lego. No, not in bed. Not in bed. Oh my god, guys.
I've seen that.
Okay. Flower under. Under flower. Okay, let's see. Just see it right there. Lego bin top. Blue. I never had a look.
Oh.
Okay. Now, handful quarters. I will be looking right here. What are you having trouble?
Done.
Okay. I was some suspicious stuff. Oh, one. Oh. What was that? Oh, it's just. I think Legos at me. 2.
He doesn't know where the other one is.
I only have 2, Connell. Is the one in here? No. I think you say.
Count your corners.
1, 2. Where are they, boy?
They're over there.
Those are the Lego bed? Ooh.
You honestly think you're funny?
Ear on strong. In the Lego bed. Ow. Ooh, money. No.
One was in there, but I decided to move it in here.
Wait, is it?
Yeah, it's in there.
Because this is hard.
One corner wheels. Not Mitchell.
Where is it? Give me a hint.
No. No.
Is that under a couch?
Yes.
Are you for real?
Uh-huh.
You're laughing. Where is it?
I don't know.
I only have 2 in my pocket.
And the fish.
Ooh, 2. Oh wait, there's only my 2. Tired of you. Okay. It smells bad. Did I have a fish tank?
What?
I don't see any fish tank. It smells bad. Where is it?
You passed one.
Ow, flipped out. Undo?
Yep.
Mario.
Under cash.
Cash for the cash? No, not. Where did you put them? How'd you rub?
On top movie.
Top of the movie thing? I give up.
Okay.
What's the 2 quarters? I guess I lose a point. What?
I don't know.
Cat condo? I don't know. Will. Undo cat condo?
No, it's up there.
Okay, I give up. You can tell me now. I'm for real. I give up. You get all my points.
I put it right here. It bounced somewhere. It can't be in that thing, it must be.
This kid.
It might be. Yeah, it's over here somewhere. It might have went down there.
Well, if you lost both my quarters, you owe me 50 cents. Connell, I think you actually lost it. You owe me 50 cents. Go give me 50 cents now. Boy, give me 50 cents. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when all my videos come out. Like the video, and peace out, boy.